So yeah, maybe not every single one of these will work in the sense that sometimes you may spot two voices, but hopefully you can even, go through the various layers and mute whatever may be creating problems. But generally, it seems like it leads to interesting results. I kind of like the idea of having an onset that is just the inhale to then lead into the big exhale.
Mm.
So maybe we can go through some of these layers in the thumb. So this is mostly animal hyperrealism, of course. I think this layer is strictly meant to be a sweetener, weird stuff that layers with all of them and adds something that is a little bit strange to every take.
Mm.